Yeah, hi. Do you do repairs on air conditioners?
Yes, we do.
I'm with my grandmother. She's having a problem with her air conditioner. She has some company coming tonight.
Okay.
She said it's making a very strange noise, and she's not sure what to do.
Just 1 second, please.
Yeah.
Tissue time.
We have open appointment on Tuesday.
I'm sorry?
We have an open appointment on Tuesday.
Well, sure. Hold on. She wants to tell you what's happening. Can you hold on 1 sec? Yeah, go ahead. Just tell him what she told me.
Oh my gosh. I'm so hot.
No, tell him about that noise it was making.
Hot. Very hot.
Oh, the noise.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, you said Tuesday maybe someone can come out?
We can do it Tuesday.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
Would you like to
I'm so hot.
morning or afternoon?
Hot. Very
well, the
hot.
sooner the better. She's complaining that she's very hot. And
Very
Tuesday
hot.
between 9 to 12?
Hot.
how's 9 to 12, Grandma? Is
Can I
that?
put my finger
Yeah,
in
she
your
said
ear?
that. She said that'll be fine.
Excuse me?
Yeah, she said 9 to 12 would be fine.
Okay, we charge $75 for service call and service call free. We do repair for you.
Okay, here, let me put her on. Here, give him your information, please.
Hello?
Yes.
Hi.
Hi. Okay,
How are you?
we charge $75 to service.
Hello?
Hello, do you hear me?
Hello?
Okay. Hello?
Hot. Very hot.
Yeah, give him your name, and then he'll take
Blue
it.
Iris.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes. Hello?
Hi.
What's your address?
Are you there? Hello?